Hi guys, so I'm really excited because I just received this USB KVM switch for real purposes, and I think it's really nice because you can use two computers and one monitor with the same peripherals, which I think it's an excellent option to be working fast and a little bit more agile and support your workflow. You get 3 USB ports, a button switch, and it's EDID adaptive, which I think it's really nice. Okay, so let's take it out of the box. First thing we see is the main unit. When we open it up, it comes in this nice bag, and as you can see, we have the switch button, an LED that turns on depending of what PC we're using, and these 3 USB 3.0 ports. They use the peripherals, so you can use the same peripherals in both of your devices, which I think it's really nice. And you also get this port to place a control, so you can have it remotely, which is this one, independent of the proper KVM switch, so you can use it, which I think it's an excellent option. In this part we have numbered which ports are for which PC. In this case it uses the DP port, which I think it's great. Okay, you had 2 DP ports inputs, so depending on which PC, and a USB 3.0 to connect to those PC. Okay, and obviously the DP port for the screen, which I think it's really nice. So obviously this is the bottom. It uses this cable that you just connect it like this, and now you just have it a little bit more onto your reach, depending on wherever it is. And you also get these USB A to USB A cables, which I think they are great. That way you can connect them to your PCs and into the switch, which I think it's excellent. And lastly, we got the manual, okay, with all the instructions, the package list, the port descriptions, and the connection diagram. Okay, so you can see we have all the diagram of the connections with all the different ports, and depending of what we need, what we're gonna use, which I think it's really great. And we even get these like little sponges that we can place on each of the corners, so it doesn't scratch your surface, as it is made of metal. So you can place these ports and it won't scratch. Okay, they are really soft. Okay, and overall I think it's great having this kind of KVM switch if you want to use 2 different computers and just one monitor while still maintaining all your peripherals at hand. I think it's great, and overall I like it a lot. It's a really complete KVM switch set, and I would really recommend it. See you guys!